channel. Today we are going to discuss 10 free email marketing tools to save you time and money. The first one is HubSpot email marketing. HubSpot, probably best known for their marketing automation platform, recently launched a free email marketing tool that can support a lot of small business transaction email needs. Whether you need to send kickback emails from lead officers, thank you emails after purchase, or just promote current campaigns, HubSpot email marketing's free version can do that. One of the best part of HubSpot's free email tool is its ease of use. The tool features a handy drag and drop down visual editor, and it also comes equipped with ready-made templates to get you up and running immediately. The second one is Sender. Sender is one of the best free email marketing tools in the market with features to ensure deliverability. It lets you create stunning newsletter without any HTML knowledge. Just choose from a template and customize it with elements like images, videos and text. You can even personalize your newsletter for each recipient to create an even bigger impact. The third one is Sendinblue. Sendinblue is a marketing communication platform that features both email and marketing tools and additional functions such as customer relationship management and landing page creation. With over 70 design templates, Sendinblue email design functions make it easy to create a great looking email. Plus, all of these templates are responsive. You can preview your results to can ensure your design looks the way you want on any screen format. After you design your email, you can use features like A/B testing and segmented recipient list to take the manual effort and guesswork out of optimizing your campaigns and targeting your ideal audiences. Omnisend. Omnisend is a sophisticated e-commerce platform that integrates all your communication platforms in one place. Its free plan include only email, but it's more than enough to support the email marketing efforts of small and medium businesses. It allows you to automate your email delivery using behavior triggers and easily time your communications based on your customer convenience. SendPlus. SendPlus advertises itself as multi-channel marketing platform, but its email marketing feature is the most popular. It comes with a ton of professionally designed email templates that you can easily customize using a drag and drop editor. You can then set up these customized emails to be automatically sent out at the right time based on user behavior, event trigger and other variables. Benchmark Email. Benchmark Email is a great option for an email marketing tool to design responsive emails that look great no matter which device they are viewed on. If you need to add images to your email, you can edit the image right on the platform. The email editor lets you add effects, triggers and next to effectively send across your message. You have option to choose from tons of pre-designed templates based on industry, type and occasion. For the more HTML savvy, you can even use code editor to build Gmails from scratch. The seventh one is MailChimp. MailChimp is a leader in email marketing tools that you have probably heard of. Their free plan provides you with basic email marketing features such as email creation and scheduling. What makes this a great email marketing tool is its smart recommendation feature, which provides you with valuable audience insights to optimize your marketing efforts. MailerLite. Sophisticated features like landing page builder and the pop-up customize make MailerLite stand out among free email tools in the market. In addition to the basics like drag and drop email builder, the tool comes with a rich text editor and built-in photo editor to create stunning emails. MailJet. MailJet comes with intuitive and collaborative tools to help you build effective email marketing campaigns. The last one is MooSend. MooSend is an excellent email marketing tool that lets you automate repetitive tasks and saves you time. You can design behavioral email campaigns based on your subscribers' information or activities. You can use its advanced segmentation feature to send highly accurate emails to each recipient, increasing open rate and click-through rate as well as ROI. Thank you guys, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like the channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye.